If you want to know how to fix a Spotify no internet connection, you've come to the right place. So the steps are quite simple. Make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes. So as you can see, I don't have this problem now, but if I'll disable my Wi-Fi, I'll be on offline mode. As you can see, Spotify is offline. But sometimes, even if you'll try to turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data, you won't lose this message in the bottom of the screen that you're not offline, you're online now. And how can you try to fix it? Basically, the steps are quite simple, and the only one thing you need to change is that you need to open your settings in the right top corner, click on the cog icon. It's in the home page. Click on cog icon and then go to playback folder. So the fourth line here says playback, click on playback. And as you can see in the top of the screen, there is option offline. So if you're on offline mode, as you can see now, it says Spotify is currently set to offline. Basically, you can easily fix it by simply go to settings, playback, and disable this feature. After that, you'll be able to listen to new songs and you'll be able to listen all of your playlists, because when you're offline, you'll be able to only listen for downloading songs. You won't be able to listen for some other stuff from homepage, for example. You'll be able only to listen from your library from downloaded. So yeah, I don't know why, it's sometimes it could be weird, it can turn on automatically or randomly, so you need to check, do you have this feature turned on. Hope this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.